Hello everyone, welcome to Cypher page, and today we are going to solve Leetcode number 1331, that is rank transform of an array. It is an easy question, so let's read out this question. You are given an integer array and replace each element with its rank. Okay. The rank represents how large the element is. The rank has the following rules. The rank of is an integer starting from 1. Okay. The larger the element, the larger the rank. If two elements are equal, then the rank must be the same. The rank should be as small as possible. Okay, so suppose we are given this array that is 40, 10, 20 and this 30. So we have to find out the rank of each element. What we will do, we will first check which is the smallest element. The smallest element in this case is 10. We will assign it rank 1. Thereafter 20 rank 2, 30 rank 3, 40 rank 4. And suppose there are suppose there are two 30s, yeah, two 10s. Then what we will do, we will assign this and this as rank 1 only. Okay, so the resultant array that we want would be like this only. Okay, this will be our answer. Now how to solve this question? Okay, so there can be multiple elements as well with the same rank. You can build an intuition that we have to use set. Okay, we have to use set so that we can remove all the duplicates, as we don't need duplicates because all with same value will have same rank. So we only need this set in which I will store the rank of each individual element. Okay, unique element. Okay, so what I will do, I will first make a set of the numbers. Thereafter I will also need, like, this is the set of unique elements. Now I also want to store the rank with the element. So what I will do, I will use an unordered map so that I can you can say I will use hash map, and what I will do, I will just have the number here, the element with its particular rank. I have to store in this manner. Okay, and thereafter I will try to modify the array with its rank. Okay, so suppose we are given, let's take an example. Okay, suppose we are given an array 10, 20, 30, 50, 20, 30. So what we will do, firstly we will make the set. The set will look like 10, 20, 30, 50. And listen carefully that this is a set. This is not an ordered, unordered set. So all the values will be stored in a increasing order. Okay, increasing order. Yeah, all the values will be stored in the increasing order. So this is the set we have created. Now we also need to map their ranks. So what I will do, I will make a variable rank and I will initialize it with 1, because in the question they have given then the rank will be starting from 1. Okay, so what I will do, I will initialize a rank variable with 1, and what I will do, for the first element I will map its rank with 1. Thereafter I will increment rank at each interval, at each iteration. Thereafter its rank will be 20, its 2, its rank will be 3, its rank will be 4. And we will store this in a unordered map. Okay, so the values will be stored like this. We will have a pair of we will have stored like 10 with its rank 1, then 20 with its rank 2, then 30 with its rank 3, and 50 with its rank 4. So this is how we will have our map. And now what we have to do, we will just have to iterate, we just need to iterate over original array, that is ARR. What I will do, this is our array, this is our array. What I will do, I will just search, I will just say that ARR of I is equals to uh, map, and then its ARR of I, that is the value of 10, that is map of 10 for the first iteration. Map of 10 ARR of I will be gives us rank 1. So this is how we will iterate and we'll get our answer. Now let's come to the coding implementation. I hope you got the insights. So what I will do, I will just first create a set S. Okay, now what I will do, I will just store all the values. So what can I directly do, instead of making another loop, I will just write to insert all the elements. So this is how our set will be completed. Now what we want a unordered map to store number with its rank. Okay, before that, before map, we have to make ranks now. So what I will do, I will just iterate over for int num in s. What I will do, okay, not like that. I have to iterate on this only. So for num in s, what I will do, I will do map of num equals to rank, and I will increment the rank by 1. Thereafter what I will do, I will just for int I equals 0, I less than array dot size, I will iterate over the original array, and I will just modify the array, or you can make another array to give your answer. I'm just using this array only, and just return ARR. Let's run this question, and it's have some compilation error because unordered map. Okay, so answer is accepted, and now submit the question. So yeah, it is accepted and done. Thank you.